the Super Key Sniper and V2 indicators, which are offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. Traders can download the indicator files for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 from this section, and also to learn about how it works and its functionality. They can refer to this page for more information about the indicator. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file, and by dragging the file onto the chart, we run the indicator. Once the indicator is applied to the chart, it starts identifying and displaying the bands and price channels on the chart. The Super Key Sniper indicator is a special and practical tool. It works by using a long-term price channel and a short-term price channel to display optimal buy and sell signals for entering and exiting trades. It displays them for us. Traders can use this indicator based on there are different strategy systems that can be used to enter either bullish or bearish trends in the market. The outer band is generally considered to be the major band, while the inner band is regarded as the minor band icon. Additionally, smaller signals are typically regarded as minor signals, and larger signals are considered to be major signals, which are considered longer-term trends. Traders can enter buy or sell positions in the market when minor signals are triggered, and based on their strategy system, they can set their take profit according to a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio or other ratios, depending on the price trend movement. They can also place their stop loss behind the minor band or behind the major band, and also when major signals are triggered, we can place our stop loss behind the minor band or behind the major band, and based on the price movement, enter a buy position or sell position in the market. Here, we can identify short-term and temporary signals and recognize the main market trends. In the settings section, under inputs, there are options available to us. In the first input, we can specify the length of the price average for each candle. The higher we set this number, the higher the accuracy we get, but the signals are generated with more delay. And the lower we set this number, the accuracy of the signals decreases, but they are generated with less delay. In the next input, we can also set the period length for the short-term channel. The higher we set this number, the wider the short-term channel becomes, and it gets closer to the long-term channel. In the next parameter, we can set the period length for the width of the long-term channel. The higher we set this number, the less sensitive the channel becomes to price changes. In this next input, we can set the pivot bar value, which the indicator uses after generating a signal, so it searches through the previous candles to actually identify the pivot candle. In the next section, we can also set whether to enable alerts when minor signals are triggered. We can enable or disable major signals as well, or leave them disabled by default. If the alert parameter is set to false, the following options will not be functional either. But by enabling the alert parameter, alerts will be sent to us when signals are generated. In the next input, we can enable or disable sending alerts to the mailbox. By enabling this option, you need to have already completed the email settings in the Options section under the Tools tab. In this next input, we can also enable or disable sending alerts as notifications to the mobile phone. In the next parameter, we can specify the time interval between alert messages. By default, this is set to 4 candles, meaning at the time of simplification. Signals will be sent to us exactly up to 4 candles after that, and the signals will be valid for us. In this last input, we can also enter the subject of the alert or order message as we wish in this section. Also, traders can use this indicator to identify ranging markets, and at the top and bottom of the channel, optimize their trading positions and enter sell or buy positions within the market. Well friends, we've reached the end of the tutorial for this indicator, and we're happy. If you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section, to have you share them with us.